Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making spaghetti bolognese with my brother, and let's just get right into it. I'm not saying that again. Okay, right guys, before we start cooking, the most important thing we have to do is wash our hands with soap. We'll go back downstairs and we'll start cooking.
I should say I'm doing that. I've got onions, pasta,
Tomatoes and
tomato puree.
And I've got bay leaves, I've got mixed herbs, mincemeat, gravy mix, and I don't know what that is, but whatever. And this sauce here, and pepper and salt. Yeah. Okay, make sure you always have a supervisor or an adult with you so you don't burn yourself. And we're gonna let the wok heat up, and then we're going to put the ingredients in. Goodbye. So we're gonna heat up the pan and then we're gonna get started and putting the ingredients in. So first we need to turn the flames on. We're gonna put some black pepper, put in half a teaspoon of pimento, if that's what it's called, and we're going to put some salt in, and mix herbs in. We'll put the rest of this in. Three drops of this in. My sauce, my special sauce. That's why I like calling it special sauce. And now we're going to give it a good mix. And also put the salt and anything else that you have away from you, just in case it falls off the side and makes a mess, because then your mum won't be happy. Therefore, she won't like you anymore. I'm a superstar! You're giving me water! I want some juice. But I'll need water anyway, because I like water. Onions and garlic, because they give it the bit extra flavour, and I'm going to put them in now. Now we're going to get the peppers and put them in. So straight after, and then we're going to give it another good mix. So let's start mixing. And also you need to mix it up enough so the onions and garlic and peppers are cooked, so it's not raw. Now we're going to put some tomato puree in, and we'll sprinkle some gravy mix into it to bring out the meat's flavour. Now we're going to put some tomatoes in, so if you actually like me, then do this. Now let's start mixing. Mix them. That told me that is what? What? Gotta put some pasta into this pasta bowl. So yeah. Get in, all of you. My mum's boiling the pan because it's not safe for me to be near hot water, and if I burn the house down, then yeah, my mum will not be happy and she will ban me forever. We're just waiting for the pasta to boil now. It will just be 5 more minutes, and please can you stop zooming in on me, you madman. I can hear myself in the camera.
Meanwhile.
What you know about paladins, bro?
It's ready and it's time to set the table. So let's get started. Guys, means that the pasta's cooked. So now that we know the pasta's cooked, we're gonna test it. Taste test it. That's good.